Hello everyone, and welcome to Seeds of Etherius. Thank you for spending your time, a very undervalued resource, with me today. My name is John, and with this first video, I would like to take a little bit of time and explain what I have in store for this channel and a bit about myself. But first off, I want to begin with a quote from a story, The Hobbit, that sparked my imagination, wanderlust, and propensity for treasure. If more people valued home above gold, this world would be a better place. Thorin Oakenshield. And so while we can get lost in our own adventures, remember to enjoy the moments you have with those you love. And now, let's take a deeper look at the two topics that I plan on covering on this channel, which are investing and entrepreneurship. When covering investing, I plan on talking about what is it exactly, how to start out investing, and some different avenues that you can invest in, and of course, market news. When talking about entrepreneurship, I plan on interviewing fellow entrepreneurs, spanning different niches to get advice for those who are just starting out. This will help show different avenues for generating a passive income, like affiliate marketing, which would look something like this. Hey, if you haven't read The Hobbit before, you can get the item link in the description. I also want to cover my unique perspective on company creation and how to go from the idea in your head to a finished product. You're probably thinking to yourself, who is this guy and why should I listen to him? As I said before, my name's John, and I'm about to graduate this December with a bachelor's degree in business management. I started my own LLC while still in school and paying off my student loans. I've taken a very unconventional approach to getting my degree, and I want to provide my perspective on college and entrepreneurship. With this channel, I hope to take you behind the scenes with me and other entrepreneurs and hopefully help you light a fire inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and remember, every forest begins with the first seed.